So ever since I was younger, I always was a very creative person. Like I had ideas and things that I wanted to make come to life. So I think that with schooling and being in an entrepreneurship major, I've learned that yes, that's possible. You have an idea and you plan it out and you can act on that idea. My business is baking and decorating, but you need to have a foundation of how you're gonna run your business. I think my program set me up to be able to learn all of those things. So my decision wasn't as hard because I had a very strong foundation in those business basics. It took over 2 years to actually get my store to okay, I can sell things out of here. So I felt a sense of purpose in the path that I chose because of all the different obstacles that I battled to get there and the fact that I didn't give up and it worked. It turned out that this is what I'm meant to do and I can do this.